All right, weather-wise, we've got some rain on the radar and more in the forecast. Let's get right to it, show you what showers are out there. A little more focused east of San Antonio. So I think what we're seeing in the city is going to be that light mist. It's going to be those intermittent wipers that you get to use, you know, getting that just that sweet spot of just right on when they swipe across your windshield as you drive. Notice that it's, again, on the right side of your screen, some of those showers moving out of Floresville up towards Seguin, a little more numerous as we get down towards Victoria, closer to the coast. So with a little bit more Gulf enhancement is where we're seeing the more measurable rainfall. Sure, there's been a couple of showers, but they're so brief over the last couple of hours, but more on the way. I want to talk about this setup. What this is a short wave. It doesn't have a whole lot of muscle. It's not a very strong system. Look at the snow later tonight and tomorrow up to the north, actually even into Wednesday. So this is the dip, you know, and it's going to be through Wednesday morning that we've got this short wave to deal with before it really kicks out. And then we're going to get some colder air later in the week before we warm up and kind of settle into a nice quiet weather pattern. This week is really we're going to experience several seasons over the course of just a few days. We're getting a lot of fluctuation in temperature. Let me show you first, though, we'll look at that on the 14-day, what the rain is going to be looking like. So again, very hit and miss on light measurable showers. It kind of thins out tonight. I think we could see a couple here and there. So I would say between about 8 and 11 p.m., maybe a measurable shower. Better chances are going to stay east until tomorrow and overnight. Really beginning overnight. You saw that wave move through, and then a nice line is developing at 7 a.m. That's going to be from Fredericksburg down to Uvalde, maybe pushing on into the city. Not necessarily a cold front. This will just be kind of a surface boundary. We've got mid-morning Tuesday up and some pretty good rain right up the I-35 corridor, and then it kind of thins out into the afternoon. Now, here's what's interesting. This model does bring in thunderstorms late tomorrow night. 2 rounds, as a matter of fact, before this system completely kicks out. The second one moving in Wednesday morning before the sun is up, and this goes right into the city with some very heavy rain. That would be so beneficial. We don't really have the setup for anything severe, but it would definitely be something to watch with thunderstorms in the forecast. 54 right now with, again, that light drizzle falling. So it's a chilly, damp evening. If you're going to be heading out tonight, make sure you've got a good coat. Temperatures will kind of be mid to upper 50s, if that. Right now, again, only 54. All right, 14-day forecast and the fluctuation on the numbers. So tomorrow, 74 with that 40% chance of rain. We're going to double it tomorrow night into Wednesday morning. This is going to be in the overnight hours. By mid-morning Wednesday, we are done, and all the way up to 80 on a very sunny day. Clouds return on a chilly Thursday, and then a cold Friday morning, 38. That's going to be a light freeze in the hill country on Valentine's Day. Notice 64 the high, Saturday 77 before it gets cool at the beginning of next week. So we definitely go up and down, but KENS Day is Wednesday the 12th. That's going to be a lot of fun for us, Sarah.